You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish. This means American in the sense a citizen of the United States. Okay, so of course the Americans and most languages talk about the people who live in America, in the United States, as Americans. But of course the Spanish don't say just simply American. Sometimes they might say Americanos, yes, but the proper name is Estadounidense. Estadounidense. That's one American, Estadounidense. If you want to learn how to pronounce the United States, here is a video for you coming up. Estadounidense. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.